Guys, I just get home from walking exercises to Houghton Park. So I bought langka or jackfruit, ripe jackfruit. So I'm getting the tawag sa Bicol kunab. This is kunab, the part that you're gonna eat it. It's so good, fresh. It's just fresh cut today. And what I'm doing, sarap. Kain tayo guys ng langka, oh. So this langka or jackfruit, this part, you know what guys, in the Philippines, when we're kids, we grow up, we have a lot of jackfruit trees. And we only harvest the jackfruit when it's so ripe, or if we're gonna eat it like a dish, so we have to harvest the unripe jackfruit. So this one, it's ripe already. So I got already the kunab. This is kunab. We call it in Bicol kunab, or it's up to you guys what you call this in English, or the main fruit of jackfruit. And then this one supposed to be waste or garbage, but you know what? I'm not gonna throw this because of so expensive everything. So I'm gonna make a dish of this, and I'm gonna mix with smoked fish. So no waste. We have to eat everything, especially here in Canada. It's very expensive, guys. You know, it was $2.47 before per pound. Now when I bought this, it's become $2.99, so $3 per pound now, this jackfruit, guys. So you know how much in $3 in Philippine money? 1 pound is like times 42, so 126 pesos in the Philippines per pound here in Canada. That's how it's so expensive here. And if you're gonna buy all clean jackfruit like this, is this one worth $15, like this, or more. It's more expensive. So this one, this is the, you know, the middle, yung butol sa Bicol, and the skin. This one, I'm gonna dry it in my oven to make it dried organic fertilizer for the plant. So no waste, guys. Everything I save it, eat it. So there's this for human, and this is for the plants, the spikes. So I'm gonna show you the dish later when I cook the dish with smoked fish. So that's how we save here. See, you have to remove, I remove this because these white particles, usually back home in the Philippines, we just throw this. We don't make a dish of this. But since it's very expensive here in Canada, so I'm gonna make a dish of this. You know, wag nating sayangin. So even this part here, guys, when you remove the middle, usually back home, after we remove the seeds, this part, we throw this. But here in Canada, I eat it. Because I don't wanna waste it. It's very expensive, guys. In this one, I'm gonna boil it and eat it also. You can make Bicol Express jackfruit seeds, or just cook in a coconut milk, or you can boil it, or you can oven it. So the taste of this is like what you call it? Potatoes, but it's better than potatoes because this is a lot of fibers, guys, and minerals. This potassium and minerals, the jackfruit seeds. That's why I always save it and eat it. I'm gonna show you how you remove the butol. First, because you know the resin, you have to use oil. Wipe it with oil so it doesn't stick on your hand, and you can put also oil, any oil, not the oil that you use for frying, that not good. And this, You cut like this. And then I'm gonna cut this later, same as like this. So it's easy to dry in the oven. See? Because there's a resin on it, see guys? The white, we call in Tagalog dagta. So it's resin in English. So this one, paper towel, and you just gonna remove like that because it's gonna stick in your hand. Usually back home, because we don't have paper towel in the forest, we use, you know what we use? The coconut husk. So we have to do the coconut husk. So, and you know, the kunab or the meat of this, just gonna put this in the fridge and save to make a dish. And so you can see that it's a fresh cut today, this morning, because when you cut the butol or the middle part is having resin. See? The white resin or dagta. Ayan. So the seeds, it's gonna be my food substitute for the rice because I don't cook rice here in my place. If I have guests, then I'm gonna cook rice. I always have stock rice, but for myself, I cook quinoa to be healthy. See guys, oh, naipon na, oh. Yan. Usually, I stock up this in the fridge, but you know, because when I stack up this in the fridge, it's turned to dark color, it's become black color or gray color. This palusapis, we call it in Bicol palusapis, this one. So you cannot make a dish when it's turned to dark color because it's gonna taste bitter. So that's why I'm removing now, so I can cook this and make a dish. Even I cannot cook this, I can cook this tomorrow. Sarap. It's messy nga lang. It's become messy in your kitchen when you're cutting this jackfruit. So after you cut your jackfruit, you have to clean up properly your kitchen area. And this is good, very good, guys, for you. So that's how I'm gonna remove this like this. Yeah, we have to remove the spike, the skin part, because it's, you know, it's bitter if you eat that. This one, I don't want that. See, it's turning to different color, so I don't want that part. That's why I'm removing it. So this one, it's good for a ginataang jackfruit or cook in a coconut milk that become oily, the coconut milk, and with a smoked fish. So it's a lot of work. Takes time, guys, to do this. That's why sometimes I don't like buying this, only when I'm craving for jackfruit or langka. Of course, you have to wash your hands properly before you do the work of this one, especially if you're gonna stack up in your fridge. So here in Canada, we try not to waste some food because it's very expensive. Imagine 1 pound is $3. Yung 1 pound ay nasa mga 1/3 kilo lang yun, guys. Yung 1 pound. Ay, no, not 1. Yeah, 1/3. 1/3 kilo ang 1 pound. So, 1/3, not even half kilo ang 1 pound, guys. Because 2.38 or 2 pounds and 38 grams is 1 kilo. So that's how you do because in the Philippines it's all kilo. We use kilo in the market. So the seeds, I'm gonna cook this maybe after 2 days or 3 days. I'm just gonna stack up in the fridge because I'm gonna eat first the fruit. The seeds can be stuck up in the fridge for long time. Gonna show you how much I get for that 1 pack. So this is I get, plus I eat I think 5 pieces of this kunab. So if you gonna buy this, guys, you know how much gonna cost of this. It might gonna cost you $30 because 5 pieces, like 5 of this is gonna be like $8 in the store when it's clean like this. And I don't like those because, you know, somebody's touched it already or it's hanging there for a long time unless it's frozen. So this one, it's gonna be my 3 days food. So see, I'm gonna have this for 3 days. Every day I eat maybe 5 pieces. See, guys, after walking exercises, look at my face. The sunshine make brighter my face and glow because of my natural products, my natural skincare that I'm using. Sarap, guys, na lang ka, oh. Kalami, kaayo. Lalagay ko muna to sa fridge. Here you go, guys. This is what I got from the jackfruit. So this is gonna be a dish with smoked fish later or maybe tomorrow. So I'm just gonna wrap this with a, you know, with a plastic, the cling wrap. Then I can put this in the fridge because I don't have time yet. I have to go out again. And yeah, this is gonna be going to the oven to be dried up to become a organic fertilizer. Here you go, guys. The cling wrap. Yan. I-cling wrap lang natin yan dyan. Ay, naputol na. Teka. Kailangan kasi siya yung hindi siya mahahanginan, guys. So we have to cover this that no air. It's like gonna be airtight to preserve the freshness. So it's gonna be preserve the freshness of my jackfruit. So yeah. Kahit itaob mo yan, di yan matatapon, oh. Kasi cover na cover talaga. Yan. Going to the fridge. And I have a jackfruit dessert here. yung I bought last week, oh, 'di ba? Ang dami nito, guys. So pwedeng panghalo-halo. So kailangan ko na lang ng banana, tsaka red beans, kidney beans, at kaong to have halo-halo. Meron akong condensed milk dito at yeah. So pwede na maghalo-halo pag dire-diretso ang init. So meron na akong fresh langka minatamis or dessert.